7 black on my helmet, and there's the Hero 5 black there, so I'm shooting some video just to kind of, you know, put that in a small thumbnail on this video. So that's kind of what I did. Didn't do the sessions. I just figured okay, this is 1080p, 1080p super view. I'll try that. Anyway, bye. Hello there, YouTube again. I know what I was just thinking of. I put in for vacation on, oh gosh, the January, I'm going to take off, I think we're going to be there January 26th through the 31st. We're either going to go to Maui or the Bahamas, not the Bahamas, Jamaica, or somewhere, but we go on a trip. We did it last year. We went to Barbados, which was an incredible trip. But we go with Cheryl, my wife's sister, and her husband. So my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law. So we went with them last year. We had a great time. I mean, we just hung out and just swam, drank, and ate, and we're going to do it again this year. They go twice a year, but they went to Aruba. Oh, I guess in the spring or summer. I can't do that, but I was able to get some time off at the end of January to go on a trip with them. So I don't know where we're going to go yet. Most likely Hawaii. I wanted to go to the Big Island, but I've been to Maui, I've been to Oahu, but I haven't been to the Big Island. So I kind of want to go there. There's a place there with a nice beach and everything. So I don't know, we'll let them decide, because they go twice a year and they know where to go, so we'll follow them. But we're going to do that the last week of January. That'll be fun. So maybe, I don't know if I'll get my spider before or just wait till after. I think if I get up before, I might, you know, just like being a kid, you might not want to go on vacation or hurry to get back because I want to ride, but I might wait till after. I might wait till February to get it. That way I won't be in a hurry to get back and go ride it. But anyway, that's the plan. Yeah, we try and go at least once a year. I think you could try and do a summer vacation or June vacation with our boys and their wives. But I think this April it might be off because my youngest one's getting married, so we're going to go down to he's going to get married in Galveston. So we're going to go down there for a few days, and he's going to get married. So we might not do a summer one, because that's, you know, kids probably can't afford to keep doing all that. But anyway, that's the plan. Bye.